Okay, TikTok. So a lot of people think that they're a fucking badass because they can do random shit that other people can't do. Well, I am also one of those people who thinks that they're a badass because they can do something that other people can't do. And I'm about to show you. Before I show you, because it is confusing, I do just want to kind of explain that I can inhale air and release it out in a ginormous burp. Ooh. I thought that if I inhaled more, it would help. Oh, oh. Oh, it's a constipated. Oh my god. And anybody that says that's not ladylike, well, neither is going through your man's phone, but we're not going to talk about that.